Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah inaugurated the 5th edition of the GAFXSummit held at Hotel LalitAshok in Bengaluru. The event also saw the presence of DCM DKShivakumar, MLA SharathBachegowda, ITBT Department's Executive Director Dr. EkaroopKaur and entrepreneurs like KrishGopalakrishna, NivrutiRai, PritilKumar, SudhirKamath, RanjanNavani and BirenGhosh. The summit aims to foster discussions and advancements in the animation, gaming and visual effects industry. The Chief Minister addressed the gathering, sharing insights and emphasizing the significance of such initiatives in the technology and entertainment sector.
I am happy to inaugurate this gathering of the animation, visual effects, gaming and comics industry at the 5th edition of Bengaluru GAFX. Karnataka has long been the torchbearer state in India across technology, innovation and growth. We are proud to be the pioneers of leading the IT and IT-enabled services industries. The media and entertainment industry in Karnataka accounts for 20% of the Indian media and entertainment industry, employing more than 15,000 professionals. It has also more than 300 specialized AVGC XR studios. GAFX is a step curated in the direction of celebrating, promoting and showcasing this industry, which has fast become the engine room for the global industry. In 2021, when India's nominal GDP grew 19%, advertising growth performed and grew 25%. The highest growth was in television advertising of rupees 62 billion, followed by digital advertising of rupees 55 billion and then of rupees 29 billion from a resilient print. India is amongst the largest content producers in the world with under 50,000 hours of TV content, 2,500 hours of premium OTT content and 2,000 hours of film content produced in 2021. Digital media has firmly established itself as the second largest segment and it grew by rupees 68 billion in 2021. The Karnataka government released the draft biotechnology and animation, visual effects, gaming, comics and extended reality policy in November 2023 aimed at fostering development in each individual sector and growing the state's economy. Recognizing the global and national surge in these industries, the policy aims to leverage Karnataka's existing strengths in IT and BPM to establish the state as a global leader in AVGC XR. We envision to position Karnataka as a global innovation leader in AVGC XR technologies, create a robust talent pool by transforming the state into a center of excellence for AVGC related skills, generate 30,000 new quality jobs in the sector by 2028, generate 30,000 new high quality jobs in the sector by 2028, ensure that the exports constitute at least 80% of the sector's total revenue and foster sustainability and inclusivity within the AVGC industry. The policy is built around 6 strategic pillars, each focusing on a different aspect of the AVGC XR sector, which include skill development for a future-ready workforce, creation of sustainable infrastructure, empowering startups and MSMEs, provision for global market access and business development, incentives, concessions and financial support, and focus on mobile-first AVGC products. Back in 2012, Karnataka was the first state to launch an AVGC policy which addresses the domestic and global need as well as educational institutions dedicated to animation, visual effects and gaming. These educational establishments constitute the lion's share of India's 139 institutes across these specialized fields. The state has also digital art centers in 27 fine arts colleges catering to 600 students and one AVGC XR finishing school. The Center of Excellence in Bengaluru, a one of its kind and the country's first state-of-the-art facility, houses a highly equipped AVGC post-production lab, providing the industry with resources for hands-on education and to generate high-quality content. The Center of Excellence also has a finishing school to train and provide highly skilled creative technologists and technicians to AVGC companies in Karnataka, thus facilitating employment opportunities. There is no other such specialty in the country for the animation visual effects industry. It is an authorized training facility for Epic Games, Unreal Engine and has links with major technology partners. The National Center of Excellence, in fact, is standardized, taking inspiration from the Karnataka Center of Excellence and adopting the model on a national scale. This creative technologies industry has two main aspects, the creatives and the technologies. The creatives are you in the audience right now, the talent that fuels this global industry. Technology is a key aspect in this story, especially in an industry where the advertisements take place at a rapid rate, with a strong focus on skilling within the AVGC sector and innovation and adoption of emerging tech. These two aspects will be discussed across many panels, masterclasses, roundtables and more over the next 3 days. As the Government of Karnataka, you are ever more committed for fostering innovation, animation and growth. So I say to you, all of you here together are ambassadors of India's unlimited AVGC talent and prowess. For growth to leapfrog, it is imperative for the government and industry to work together. Bengaluru GAFX 2024 is the perfect platform for the ecosystem of come together, deliberate the future and progress of AVGC in India.